You've possibly heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out. It's a long-standing principle that originates from computer scientists in the late 1950s. And it implies that a system's outputs are only ever as good as the quality of its inputs. So with that in mind, and the ethical considerations for adopting artificial intelligence and machine learning, we need assurances that our efforts do not reinforce unwanted biases or produce garbage results, even if they're convincing. In the digital age, it is often said that data is the new oil. The suggestion being that it has the power to transform the way we live with the magnitude of the Industrial Revolution. And it's true that data is now everywhere and algorithms are increasingly influencing our habits and our thoughts. The forthcoming democratization of machine learning technologies will likely amplify this further and has great potential, but we expose massive risks if we use these technologies with poor quality data. And data, much like oil, needs to be processed and refined until it is safe to use responsibly. But there's a big problem with this analogy in that it fails to recognize that where refined oil is often burned, refined data can often be used time and time again. Perhaps a better analogy is Google's CEO Sundar Pichai's recent proclamation that AI will be more profound than fire or electricity. No matter your industry, we know your data is critical to your business. And if you're listening to this, you probably want to use your data to work smarter and to be more efficient or more competitive. But the chances are that you've built your data stores up over years using a multitude of systems or processes, and this inevitably results in incomplete, duplicate, or orphaned records with inconsistencies, ambiguities, and inaccuracies. And unfortunately, many organizations run multiple little refineries trying to fix data quality issues over and over again. The consequences of poor data quality are significant: lost sales, inaccurate forecasts, compliance failures, and reduced customer trust. And these can cost your business time, money, and reputation. Many of the organizations we've worked with have embarked upon attempts with projects entitled One Version of the Truth or Single Customer View. And these can often fail because these initiatives do not address the underlying causes of poor quality data. It reminds me of a quote from the late Desmond Tutu, who once said, "There comes a point where we need to stop pulling people out of the river. We need to go upstream and find out why they're falling in." If you are really serious about being a data-driven organization, then you've got to be serious about data quality. You need to find the sources of quality issues, prevent them from reoccurring and polluting your data lake. And then you can focus on removing the impurities you're left with. Businesses that partner with us see significant improvement in their data-driven strategies, saving time, money, and the stress of repeatedly dealing with poor data. Reach out to us today for a consultation. Let us help you transform your data so your business can spread its wings and fly.